Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're using Google Sites to build a website and want to add a Google form, you're in the right place. Whether you're collecting feedback, signups or surveys, adding a form is super easy, and in this video I'll show you how to add a Google form to Google Sites in just a few simple steps. So let's jump in. The first step is to open your Google form, and to do that just go to Google Forms here and open the form you want to enter. For this example, I'm going to use this form. Now after you open the form, click on the three dots right here next to your profile picture and click from the drop down menu option, click on End HTML. Now this pop-up menu will appear. Make sure you copy the iframe code that appears. This is the iframe code. Make sure you copy it by clicking on copy. Now the second step after copying the iframe code is to open your Google site and head to Google Sites and open your website, and after that navigate to the page where you want to add the form. Now the third step is to end the Google form, and to do that just click on the end option in Google Sites and paste the iframe code into the box, and after that click on insert and resize the form if needed. As for the fourth and final step, publish your site by clicking on publish at the top right to make your change live, and now visitors can fill out the form directly on your site. Now if the form looks too small, adjust the width and the height inside the end code, and if you need to update the form, just edit it in Google Forms and the changes will reflect automatically on your site. And that's it. Now you know how to add a Google form to Google websites easily. No coding required. Now if this helps, hit like and subscribe for more tech tips, and if you have further more questions about this topic, feel free to leave comments below the video and we'll be happy to answer it. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.